In my previous video, I recommended taking an online GMAT test at home that is coming up soon, starting from April 20. The online test is $200, $50 cheaper than the original GMAT exam. However, I'm taking back my recommendation. It's not recommended.
No.
Let me tell you why. The GMAT announced the GMAT online exam that can be taken at home, which will be monitored with proctored via online. However, the GMAT also made unwise decisions that can literally affect your GMAT score badly. First of all, there are no score cancellations for the exam. Are you kidding me? No score cancellations? I am mad, my students are mad, everyone is mad about it. And if that is not all, no scratch papers are allowed at all. There will be a notepad on computer screen called online whiteboard. What? A whiteboard on computer screen? How am I going to calculate math problems quickly with it? Oh, please tell me it's not an overdue April Fool's joke. Everyone knows that if you want to get a good quant score, a scratch pad is a must. And the list goes on. There's only one 5-minute break for this nearly 3-hour long exam, and there is no retake allowed for the online exam. You can only write one GMAT online exam. Furthermore, you can see or preview your score for a week. The regular GMAT allows you to preview your score at the end of the exam, but this online exam doesn't allow you to preview. It is written in the GMAT website that the official score report will be sent within 7 business days of the exam via email. Because you cannot preview your score or cancel it, it is most likely that you are at a disadvantage with the GMAT online exam. So you know what? Unless you feel comfortable typing numbers and drawing figures using mouse on computer notepad screen, forget about taking the GMAT online. One good thing about the online exam is that it will not count toward the yearly or lifetime exam attempt limit, which means you can write 9 times for the GMAT if you take this exam. But I would recommend just wait until things settle down, and when the nearest GMAT test centers open again, write the GMAT at test center. I am very disappointed at the poor measurements taken by the GMAT, and while I understand they are trying to minimize the possibilities of cheating at home, the steps taken by the GMAT seem very unprofessional. I'm sorry to take back my recommendation, but I thought you should know the details with these huge flaws of the GMAT online exam. If you want to know the details about GMAT online exam, check the links at the description below. Good luck with studying the GMAT at home, and please stay healthy.